Replacing your Chery Omoda key fob battery is a simple DIY task. First, you'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Locate the seam on the key fob casing. Gently insert the pry tool into the notch and twist to separate the two halves. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity, positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's seated properly. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together firmly. Test the key fob functions, lock, unlock, panic button, to ensure it's working. Avoid metal tools to prevent static damage. If your Chery Omoda key fob isn't working after replacing the battery, start by verifying you've installed a new CR2032 battery of good quality with at least 220 mAh capacity and that the polarity is correct. Next, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean them with isopropyl alcohol if needed to ensure proper connection. Try resyncing the key fob with the vehicle by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. If these steps don't work, the issue may be a faulty circuit board, requiring professional assistance from a Chery dealership. In rare cases with 2023 models, defective springs may cause battery disconnection, needing a dealer fix. Remember, recent firmware updates have resolved some post-battery replacement issues, so a dealership reprogram may no longer be necessary. Contact Chery support if problems persist.